This account is earning thousands of dollars using AI with almost no effort. And yes, it's passive income. So how can you do the same? Let me show you the 5 simple steps you need to follow. Step 1. Create an Adobe Stock Contributor account. First, open the link in the description. It will take you to my article where all the required links are available. Scroll to step 1 in that article and click on Adobe Stock Contributor Sign Up. You'll be redirected to Adobe's official page. Click Join Now and sign up using Google, Facebook, or whatever is easy for you. Step 2. Create a Recraft.ai account. Now go back to my blog, scroll down and click the link for Recraft.ai. On the Recraft page, click the Sign Up button. Use Google or another option to sign in. After logging in, click on New Project to get started. Step 3. Create assets using AI. Go back to the blog again and click on the link for the prompt extension. You'll be redirected to a landing page. Click Free Download. On the next page, again click Free Download. It will open in the Chrome Web Store. Click Add to Chrome or Brave. Then click Add Extension. Now go to any stock website. I'm using iStock. Search for backgrounds. Pick any image. Right-click on the image, then click Image to Prompt from the extension. It will generate a prompt. Just click Copy. 2 different processes, images and vectors. For images, go to Recraft.ai, click on the image button. Resize the canvas. I'm using 16:9. Paste your copied prompt. Click the Recraft button. You'll see 2 concepts ready. Hold Alt, duplicate the image. Switch to version 2. Select both and click Crisp Upscale. Export as JPG for backgrounds. For vectors or silhouettes, search for silhouette on iStock. Right-click and copy the image. Paste it into Recraft using Ctrl+V. Click on Recraft V3 Raw Style. Go to My Styles, click Create Style. Select the silhouette image. Duplicate your final image. Open version 2, remove the background. Export as SVG for vectors/silhouettes. Step 4. Generate metadata using AI. Go to the Metadata Generator tool. Get your Google Gemini API key. Paste it into the tool. Upload your image or SVG. Adjust the keyword slider. Click Generate Export CSV, save the file. Step 5. Upload your designs to Adobe Stock. Go to your Adobe Stock Contributor dashboard. Upload all your images. Select them all and mark both options on the right. Set the category for silhouettes as Graphic Resource. Upload the CSV file. Click Submit Files and confirm. Important rules. Upload only 50 assets per day. No repetitive or irrelevant designs. Only 1 Adobe Stock account. No promotion needed, sales come over time. This is a long-term game, not a quick money hack. That's it. Follow the steps and keep going.